Hi everybody, it's Jennifer and my girl Peppa is here. We were gifted this ultrasonic barking device and it is going to keep my girl from barking when the delivery driver comes. It's her nemesis. This is what it looks like. Here's the back and then here's the front. It comes with a charging cord. And basically what you do is you turn the device on. There are 3 different levels with 3 different frequencies. And when you turn it on, the light blinks. You can tell Peppa does not like that. And when the dog starts barking, this is going to trigger the dog to stop barking. And that's level 3. You can see you can't hear it as a human, but the dog can hear it. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to put this next to Peppa in the window and let's see how it works when someone comes by that makes her bark. Okay, this really works for Peppa. I don't know if you can tell, but she's nervous just seeing this device now because she's barked a few times and it's gone off. You can see she's shaking, the poor girl. So now just seeing that black device, she's like, I am not barking. I am just going to be a really good girl. It's great because you can't hear it, but it triggers her to stop barking and it's really, really working well. I'm going to turn it on here just to show you. As soon as it goes on, she is out of here. So if you're looking for a solution for your dog, you might want to try this one because it works for Peppa and now she just sees the box and stops barking. It's kind of amazing.